Today is the day. Yes, sir. I'm so excited, man. You have no idea. Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Jay, back again here with the Crimson Camry. As you see the description, this is the day I've been waiting for. I've been looking for today for a long time. I decided to get the Magnaflow 194 exhaust because simply the way it sounds and the way it looks. You know, I could have easily went to a muffler shop and got like a custom thing for like $300-400, but I decided to get this on my own. So today I got my guy Walt here, my mechanic doing my job. We'll be showing you guys the process of what's going on. So so stay tuned and let's get this going. All right. In order to make the doors off first, you guys need a heat shield if you have an SE and the original hangers and brackets for off the XSC 4-cylinder. So the first thing you need to do is take off the splash pan right here. You're going to take off these pins right here. All right, there's another one right here, and I think that's it. I think there's one right there too, as you can see. That's really it. I think it's one more. This one is like right here.
Okay.
Yeah. Got the diffuser, you go ahead and push these to the side like that. That way you get it's just like that. Give you a quick insight of where we're gonna be taking off. It's gonna be this right here. So you got 2 bolts sitting right here. You got the hanger that we need to take out of this part right here. And you got another 2 bolts right here. And we're leaving this resonator sitting right here. We're not messing with the resonator. For the 4-cylinder, you don't need to mess with the resonator. The V6 has a resonator that comes with it. And then the new one has a white pipe right here. All right, so what we got here, we got this one right here, and then all these right here need to come off to get the splash pan off. Yo, this light look crazy, like, jeez. Here's my mufflers, my tips, you know, looking all beautiful. There's the box it came in. My red caliper covers from my last video, one of my last videos. My spacers, you guys can really see the difference. So they're poking out a little bit. So this is where the heat shield is going. Whatever works.
So that bracket's going to be used over?
Yes.
That one there?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so we just got to take the donut off there, right? I mean, the rubber piece.
Push the bracket off. That way the muffler is free. So now the only other thing that's holding the muffler together is another bracket right behind it. You're good. You're good. Go ahead. This one right here. There you go. This is what we're dealing with right here. This is the type of bolt you need to put the other heat shield up. Okay, it's going to go right here, and these are the push-ins that you need to take off in order to pick the other bracket up. Okay. I don't recommend you do this without a lift. This crazy thing is, I started to do it myself. Use jack stands, go buy jack stands and everything, prop my car up and do the work myself. But like, I totally would have played myself if I would have did that, honestly, because.
You have the hanger?
Yeah.
Okay, you got two hangers here. Which hanger's for what? This one's what? That one's for back here, I guess.
Let's see. Yeah. This is the one for back here.
Huh?
This is the one for back here.
For this side, right?
Yep.
And you use this side over. Okay, so it faces this way. You have the bolts for it?
Yep. One thing for sure, these original parts I got from Toyota are very well greased. Look at that. Sheesh. Greasy bracket. Hanger or radar. I forgot what this is called. Oh my god. Heavy. So it's beautiful, man. Look at that. Alright, Magnaflow. Alright, so now I'm gonna help him with the muffler. So I'm gonna leave y'all right here while I go help him. So this is what we're looking at. All right. See, it's inside the bracket right there. Yep, inside the bracket. And this one over here. You'll see that right there. It's inside the bracket. Make sure these things are very well lubricated when you're doing it. All right, you see it right there. Okay. Oh man. Alright, so now we got both of the mufflers up on the brackets as they should be. And we had this lubricant on the sides because these are already the old muffler. Got our clamps both sides. Wide pipe is about to go right here. Alright, so they on. Put the phone down for a test. So I can see what they sound like. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna lower the car down and I'm gonna start this bad boy up. Y'all can hear firsthand on what it's gonna sound like, okay? Cool, yes, sir. Oh my God, bro.
Sounds different.
Sounds good. All right. I'm gonna put this phone. All right guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm so excited right now. Can you see the smile on my face? Like, this is crazy. So yeah, that is pretty much what you're gonna be getting yourself into if you decide to do yourself. I doubt, unless you got a lift and power tools and stuff like that, you won't be doing this by yourself. Get professional help to do it. This is a very, I'm super excited. I can't wait to post this for you guys. So yeah, as always, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for supporting the page. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, comment how you feel about this Magnaflow Exhaust 19494. Hey man, we on a new level now. That's all I can say. So stay tuned to the next video and see you guys later.